So I arrived in Africa on January 1st, 2020. It was nighttime. Got picked up by the driver, went to the hotel, slept, then woke up the following morning. I was on my business. I went to the land that I had bought while I was in America to look at it, to get a visual of it. I was pleased with what I saw, and one day in the future I ended up building a guest house on that land. Bought another piece of land that I use for my gardening. That's where I plant my jackfruit, my ackee, my guava, my mango, my coconut, my sweet potato, my cassava. That land is just for gardening. And then I have another piece of land that is just there until I'm ready to use it. So I wanted to make sure that I had my business straightened out before I started visiting guest hotspots of Africa, partying and all that other things. So I'll get back to that at a later time, because whenever you go to a new place, you always want to know who are the people that are at that place. What are their customs? What are their social norms? And how can you do business with them? Because when you go to Africa, you may say, I'm going to set up a restaurant and I'm going to sell food to my fellow Americans or my fellow British or my fellow Jamaicans. But the truth is, there's not enough people, especially in Gambia, of Jamaicans, Americans, British, who will be able to support your business. So the smartest thing to do is to observe the people that are already living there.